Welcome to EMtech Industrial Repairs, specialist in sustainable repair and overhaul of industrial electronics. Every production machine has an electronics controller, and many people in the factory depend on the proper functioning of this controller. When the electronic control system fails, production stops and a big problem arises. EMtech is a team of professional research and repair engineers of industrial electronics. We are located in Brainport, Helmond, right next to Eindhoven in the Netherlands. In today's throwaway society, repairing and overhauling industrial electronics is a good sustainable option. Of course, you can easily replace and discard parts in the event of malfunctions. We've seen a lot of added value in repairing and overhauling control electronics. Production machinery is no longer serviced after 10 years unless you want to renew the entire controller. By repairing and overhauling the control electronics, such a machine can again have a much longer life. EMtech can supply a replacement unit if the customer so wishes. In addition, the unit that has failed can be repaired and overhauled so that it can be stored as a spare. Many of our repairs are completed within 5 days. Urgency is really urgent with us. They are tested as soon as repairs are completed. In principle, we are not brand bound, but brands such as Siemens, ABB and Fanuc come in regularly. With our sustainable repair and overhaul activities, we see enormous opportunities to make our contribution to the global circular economy.